Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create an account on Bershka. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is click on your application, which is here. But before that, you have to download it, of course guys. You can go and do that on the App Store. And guys, if you're maybe struggling with doing that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Bershka videos where you can also see how you can do this. So guys, now let's see how you can actually go and create an account here. So first of all, you just need to go and choose your market. So I'm from Serbia, so that's why I'm going to choose Serbia. But the language, for the sake of this video, I will choose the English language. When you select your language, then click go. When you're there, then you just need to read these things. So to improve your experience with our app, we'll need you to grant us the permission. So you have to grant them the permission of tracking. We want to show you content you like, so they're going to track what the things that you like and maybe put some things that you like in front of you. And notifications, be the first to find out about our promotions and see all the information about the status of your orders. Then you just need to click continue, allow it, of course, if you want, and then you just need to allow everything or not allow. It depends on you if you want to do it or not. And voila, that's basically how you do it. Your account has been created. Now you can just log in or create the application here. That's basically what you need to do. Then just click here on the mail or however you want to do it. Put your mail in, just a second. Put your password, click register, click register, where you need to put again, your mail. So basically you put your mail first. Like so. Then you can go and choose your own password, which I'm going to do now. Then you say that you read everything, click continue. And that's, guys, basically how you do it. You have your account created. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.